Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the watch and tools so you can work efficiently. Lay the watch face down on a microfiber cloth to avoid scratches, then secure a small tray for parts. Using the forked end of a spring bar tool, press the spring bar inward toward the strap to release it from the lug hole. Do this slowly so the bar doesn't fly free. You're removing tension to free the strap. Once one side is clear, lift the strap gently away and repeat for the opposite side. Now inspect the lugs and spring bars. Any bent or worn bars should be swapped before fitting the new strap because they secure the watch. Insert a good spring bar into the new strap's end and bring it to the lug. Compress the bar with the tool, insert one end into its hole, and align the other end with the opposite hole. Slowly release tension so the bar snaps into place. Make sure both ends are fully seated. If not, recompress and reposition until the bar clicks securely. Finish by giving the strap a firm but careful tug to confirm the spring bars are seated. You should feel no movement. Visually inspect for even gaps and proper alignment so the strap sits flush with the case. Adjust the buckle or trim any excess per the strap type and verify comfort. If a spring bar refuses to seat, stop and replace it with a new bar or use a magnifier to see the hole. Then repeat the insertion slowly. This troubleshooting tip prevents accidental drops or damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.